Audio Jungle.
Welcome back friends. In this lecture we will learn what is inner-join and how to use the inner-join. Okay, but first of all, what is join? Okay, what is join query? Okay, so join query means if you want to select data from two tables, then you can use the join query. Okay, if you want to select data from two tables using the single query, then you can use the MySQL join query. But in this video I will explain you what is the inner join and how to use the inner join. Okay, so the inner join select the matching data from two tables. Okay, inner join select the matching data from two tables. Okay, so what is mean the matching data? The matching data means, let's say if the first table primary key is matched with the second table foreign key, then select the records. Okay, now let's go with example. Okay, for example, click on the messenger database. Okay, now click on SQL. Okay, now here I want to select the matching data from messages and the users table. Okay, so here add, for example, select. Okay, select all from users table. Okay, select all from users table inner join. Okay, now here the first table is users. Okay, and now I want to join the messages table, so here add the join table. Okay, sorry, the messages table. Okay, select all from users table inner join messages. Okay, so I want to join the messages table with the users table. Okay, so here add inner join. Okay, messages, and here add on. Okay, on users table dot id. Okay, inside the users table dot id, so id is the column of the users table. Okay, so if so here this on user id mean if inside the users table id is matched, okay, with messages table dot users id. Okay, select all from users table inner join messages table, and here on keyword, and here we have the condition. Okay, so if the users table id is matched with the messages table user id, then select the matching record. Okay, for example, for now copy this query. Okay, copy, and here click on go. What happened? Okay, so now you can see friends, here we have the matching record. Okay, you can see here Gulkhan. Okay, but Gulkhan have a lot of messages and the message table and the messages table. Okay, so because of this reason here we have the repeated name of Gulkhan. Okay, because here you can see here we have the message hello world, and this message is sent Gulkhan. Okay, and after we have hello brother WhatsApp, so this message is also sent the Gulkhan, and after we have the Ajax sign up. Okay, this is the basically the image. Okay, so this image is also sent the Gulkhan. Okay, so I mean inner join query select only the matching record. Okay, because this id, this 18 id is available inside the users table. This 18 id is available inside the users table. Okay, so here we have the matching records from two tables. Here you can see Gulkhan name, email, password, image. Okay, image, and here you have the status, and after we have the messages table records. Okay, message id, message type, user id, and message time. Okay, So here we have the matching record from two tables. Okay, and behalf of when the user's table ID is matched with the messages table foreign key. Okay, then select the records. Okay, so basically friends, inner join select only the matching or records from two tables. Okay, so for now, thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.